Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 885 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster. That's Y-O-R-E, Oyster. You can check out this list along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, we have commentary on the Bitcoin market from BitBull Capital's Joe DePasquale. Mawson Infrastructure has posted updates for August, and CoinSmart has shared a corporate update. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Joe DePasquale, the CEO of BitBull Capital, has provided commentary to InvestorIdeas.com regarding the state of Bitcoin's price and its market. Quote, "We can see that Bitcoin's relief rally was indeed unsustainable, and it gave up a lot of its gains after the CPI data came out higher than expected, and the Ethereum merge turned out to be a sell the news event. However, the upcoming FOMC is going to be a key point for the markets as participants price in a 75 BPS rate hike, while some are expecting even more hawkish measures. Any signs of dovishness in the meeting will most likely give the market a strong push up, and we could see a short-term bottom forming if the price drops any further due to a 75 BPS hike. We maintain that Bitcoin remains attractive below $20,000, and we will continue to accumulate down to 17K and 15K levels if they are seen. On the top side, if Bitcoin does break out in a big way, we can see $24,000 as the first major resistance, followed by $27,000. End quote. For context, Bitcoin is trading for about 19,100 USD at press time, at the time of recording, I should say. This is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Moving along, Mawson Infrastructure Group Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as MIGI, has announced its unaudited Bitcoin production and an operational update for the month of August. Highlights include the production of 70 Bitcoins, or 1,129 year-to-date, 1.8 million USD in revenue from the company's energy market program, and 3.7 exahash in total installed capacity. James Manning, the company's CEO, said, quote, "Since July, we have continued to adapt our business model to reflect lower Bitcoin prices and higher energy costs in the USA. Our direct responses include the activation of our energy market program and our focus on high-margin mining opportunities and jurisdictions. Our priority continues to be on the build-out of high-quality, low-cost per megawatt deployed data centers in the USA." End quote. Lastly, for today, CoinSmart Financial Inc., which trades on the OTC under the ticker CONMF, has shared a corporate update. Highlights from that include the launch of payment processing service SmartPay, which allows businesses to send and accept crypto payments and guarantees no chargebacks, no holds, same-day settlements, and up to 80% cost savings compared to traditional payment methods like credit cards. According to the press release, CoinSmart also became the first crypto platform to receive an online sports wagering vendor permit from the state of Wyoming, allowing it to process cryptocurrency payments for legalized gaming companies licensed in Wyoming. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.